So now we will continue our conveyor model. Okay. So the last video we have done up to here. So if I want to roll and return the build for these rollers, I need to have a rotating member on both ends, right? So this is called the tail pulley, and the one which is at the head side, it is called head pulley. Now the question is, how can I mount this head pulley and tail pulley uh, on my conveyor? Okay, so we need to develop some function to make this. How do I want? Okay, okay, let's open this stringer. Holes, I'll suppress these holes because the last stringer, I don't need any holes like that. So let's see whether this is only changing or everything is changing. Okay, everything is getting changed. Okay, what I do, I'll just open this and I'll unsuppress it, save it, exit, and let's check now. Okay, 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 understood. I can suppress this feature. Okay, okay, I can also suppress this. Okay, and this is the head side, right? So what I do here, so this sketch, I'll build a one small plate. Okay, like this way. Exit. Control 7. A 6 mm plate. I will build there. Or else you can go for base sheet. Okay, 6 mm, right? Okay, fine. Okay, on this direction is okay. Base patch, edit feature, and rose direction. Yes. Okay. On this, okay, on this I will provide one more plate like this way at a distance of 80. Okay, exit base sheet and extend it to more value. Okay, okay, not enough, not enough. Okay, okay, 500 will keep, or else 450. It is fine. Okay, one more plate I will build here also. Sketch. Okay, and use the base sheet metal and up to surface, set up this. Okay, okay. On this I can easily mount my motor. Okay, but this is seems like not strong enough, right? What we can do? Okay, what we can do here? Sketch. Let's make one line. Exit and the base flange and end condition you can choose the up to surface. That's fine. And these is also not enough. Okay, okay, okay. I'll delete this. I don't want. So what I can do is you can see a gazette feature. I think it will be in Wildmines. Yeah, gazette. Set this and this. Okay. Now you can see the gazette is being followed, right? So I just increase all these values. Okay, increase even more. Okay, 15, 6 mm thickness 6 mm, enter, offset. Okay, okay, this is fine. It seems like a good gazette. Okay, so let's keep it 20. Fine, very. So now go to the features, linear pattern, and untick these features, surfaces, tick these bodies, and select this gusset, and choose the direction. I'll choose the direction like this. I want 5 gussets at a distance like this one. Okay, I can reduce it. Yeah, fine. Okay, so I got the thing like this. Okay, I'll delete this gusset guys. Okay, um, okay. I will provide a gusset here also and here also because these are more load carrying area. Okay, so we need to think about that also. Gusset. Okay, I'll go to profile now. Okay, let's make it offset. Okay, this gap is enough for welding, so I'll keep that. Okay, and one more. So gussets will drastically improve the strength of this particular thing, guys. So these are plays very critical role. Even though they seems like small members, they'll play critical role. Yeah, now it will become as a load carrying member, pure load carrying member. Yeah, okay, we need a few holes here for joining purpose, so we'll do that later. Okay, okay, okay. I'll delete this stringer. Okay, I haven't deleted it. I just suppressed it. Okay, and then I'll open this subassembly and I'll for a, okay. I'll create one plane between these two. Okay, and then I'll use the mirror command. Go to mirror components and you can choose the mirror line as you created one. Components to mirror this. Okay, yeah, is what I want. Don't show it again. Yes, yeah, this quite seems like good enough, right? 7 and both sides. These are okay. Okay, what is the inner to inner distance? We'll check it once. So 900. Okay, 1000 it is. So I even need less than the 900. The drum width it has to less than the 900. So that means it will has to be at 850 or something like that. Sorry, 850 enter. Okay, so 850 divided by 2, calculate 600, 1200, update. So this value will have to 850 divided by 2. Okay, so my roller is enough to roll in this. Okay, fine. Now one more thing here we have to do is, I cannot make this drum pulley like this way, right? I need a bearing here, and I need a housing for that bearing. So that and all the setup we can call it as a plumber block. Okay. Yeah. The width mate is given, right? Okay. It is being suppressed. Okay, delete it. We'll do it again. Seven. Okay. Gap is quite good enough. The plumber blocks I don't have to design it. Those are readily available in the market. The customer said these rollers and drum pulleys and that plumber blocks, those are not needed to be designed again. Those are readily available. So it is easy to purchase them than to fabricate them. So that's why we are doing like just a dummy piece. Okay. The plumber block also will do as a dummy piece. We'll say about it.